Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy a DoorDash gift card. If you don't have a DoorDash account, we will put the link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $10 off each of your first 3 DoorDash orders over $15. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. Then several options will appear. Click on the option that says Gift Card. Now on this page, you will see a button that says Buy Gift Card. Click on Buy Gift Card. Then here, customize the gift card you wish to buy. First, select the kind or design of the card you wish to buy. Next, select the card value between $25 to $500. You wish more than that, click on Custom, then enter the custom amount. After that, select the delivery option, either send by email or by text message. Then enter further details such as the recipient name, email or phone number, the gift message, and the sender name. You could also change the date by entering it on the Send Date field. After entering all the necessary information, click on the Add to Cart button. That's how you buy a DoorDash gift card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.